Hello, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Skactical ICO. It says automatic downtime compensation. Skactical is a decentralized service level management platform powered by predictive analytics and blockchain smart contracts. Now, you can check the white paper here. You can read the white paper and see more about the white paper, 32-page white paper, and I encourage you to do that. Make sure you read that. Let's scroll down. It says online services are not fail proof. Skactical helps online business meet their service level objective, reward operational excellence, and automatically compensate customer for not delivering on reliability promises. For users, customize service level agreements to your personal business needs. Get automatically compensated for slowdown, downtimes, and other SLA breaches. This for employee and others. Let's see the team member. And before that, let's discuss about the DSLA tokens here. Is it ERC token, 20 token, Ethereum based on Ethereum? The steady Ethereum, the soft cap is 4 million euro, that is 7,200 Ethereum. The hard cap is 8 million euros. Just supply is 10 billion supply. Token sale is 5 billion. There's 25% bonus for pre-sale. And you can join the whitelist here. This is the roadmap. Let's check the roadmap. These are the team member: William Puja, co-founder and CEO; John Daniel Bobossi, Andre Lecando, Yosra Elal, and all the rest. You can find them here. Let's check ICO bench. Skactical 4.2 rating. See every information you need here, the hard cap and the soft cap. And if you're from US and China, you can get involved. They are from France, as you can see with the names, and you need a KYC that is not your customer to get involved with this ICO. And this is the who is net should be incorporated and registered on Skactical.com, registered on 15 and expired 2019. They updated it last year. So far that is the information about Skactical ICO. I want to know about this ICO, and I'm dropping the link down below. You can sign up for this ICO. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you a million times. Please, before you go, subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.